Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. কেমন আছো তোমরা সবাই? So I was trying to create a Saraswati puja makeup look and the result come out really well as you can see. So without further delay, let's get started. Before starting the makeup, I will prep my skin with the toner and the toner is from Good Vibes. After that, I'm using Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. I will mention every product in the description box. If you want, you can check that out. Okay, next I'm using Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. Now I will do my eyebrows. If you want a separate video on how I make my eyebrows, then do let me know in the comment section. Okay, next I'm using the concealer from L'Oreal. Okay, next I will blend the concealer with this cute mini beauty blender. So my eyebrows are done. Now I will do my eye makeup, and for that I'm using the same concealer and I'm applying the concealer on my eyelid and blending the concealer with the help of a beauty blender. Okay, I'm starting my eye makeup with this light brown color and this will be my transition color. I'm applying the color over my crease line as you can see. Okay, next I'm using the gel Kajal from L'Oreal and here I'm creating a very basic line close to my lash line. Creating the same on another eye. Okay, next I'm taking a black eyeshadow and I'm going to blend the Kajal with the eyeshadow. Here I'm slowly blending my Kajal with the eyeshadow and I'm not going over my crease line. Doing the same on another eye. Okay, next with a fluffy blending brush, I'm just going to blend the color evenly. Okay, next here I'm taking a brown color and I'm going to blend the color with the black one and I'm not going over my crease line. So our eye makeup is done. I kept this eye makeup really basic so that you can quickly create this eye makeup. Now for the face, I'm using the foundation from Maybelline and I'm just applying few drops of foundation on my face and I'm blending the foundation with the help of a beauty blender. Okay, now to highlight my face, I'm using the same concealer and applying the concealer on the inner corner and outer corner of my eye, center of my nose, forehead, cupid's bow and little bit on my mouth area. Next, I'm using Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte Compact. Okay, next I'm applying the same gel kajal on my lower waterline. Okay, next here I'm smudging the kajal with the black eyeshadow. Here I'm making the outer corner of my eye little thicker than the inner corner. Okay, next I'm using the same brown color and applying the color under the area where I smudged the kajal. Lastly, with a fluffy blending brush, I'm just going to blend out everything evenly. Dusting off all the fallouts with a fluffy brush. Next, I'm using the mascara from L'Oreal and I'm just going to coat my lashes with the mascara. Okay, after that here I'm using the mini bronzer by Sugar to contour my face. Next I'm using a L'Oreal Paris liquid lipstick as my blush, and I'm actually doing an experiment here and the result came out pretty well, so you can give it a try, and the shade number of this lipstick is 105. Here I'm contouring my nose as well. Next, for the highlighter, I'm using Swiss Beauty highlighter and I'm applying the highlighter on all the highest point of my face. Okay, I'm applying a little bit of highlighter on the inner corner of my eye. Okay, next I'm using a liquid lipstick by Colorbar and the shade is really amazing. This is the game changer of today's look. I will mention the shade number in my description box, you can check that out. So our makeup is done. I will set the entire makeup with the makeup fixer and wait for the final result. If you love watching my videos, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Love you all.